Hi, Michaela. Sorry it takes so long to get back to you. I just went through all of the stuff that I had here at home and I could not find the one that you were referring to. So thanks for sending the picture. That's a big help. So for this question, we have to follow the exponent rules and we have to be really careful because we have two different bases. So the first thing that you want to do is do the exponent to another exponent. And so with that, these guys here get multiplied. So 3 times 180 is 540. So we have 2 to the 540. And then we're going to multiply that by 2 to the 600. And then because 3 squared isn't the same base as the other ones, because they're base 2, we're just going to do 3 squared as 9, and we'll multiply that in later. And on the bottom, if we multiply 2 times 567, I think we get 1,134 there. So if we use the exponent rules one more time and we add the exponents for these two terms here, I'll keep the base the same and I'm going to add those and get 1,140, and then I'll times by 9 later on. And here I've got 2 to the 1134. So even though the numbers are really large, it turns out that they're not so bad at the end, because if we keep the base the same and we subtract the exponents here, then we're going to keep the 2 and we're going to subtract 1140 minus 1134. We'll get 2 to the 6, and that's going to be multiplied by 9. So it doesn't turn out too bad at all, because 2 to the 6 is 64, and then times by 9. And then, I'll write down here because it's black there. If we multiply 64 by 9, what are we going to get? 576, I think? Something like that. And so that's what they're looking for, is just for you to show step by step and following sort of the rules of the exponent laws all the way through to the end to the final answer of 576. So I hope that helps, and thanks again for your patience in helping me by sending the picture of the question.